Dapeng laser equipment introduction preparation.
Equipment introduction and preparation. Dapeng lasers handheld laser welding machine. It's constructed by whole machine. There are laser source inside chiller. There is a wire feeder outside also laser. Torch and accessory box equipment needs to be prepared in advance. Those things first. Water, electricity and gas. Argon can be set up. An argon meter. Water, we need purified or distilled water. If we say that the voltage of our device is 220 volts, then we need to prepare 220 volts stable voltage plus or minus no more than 10%. Also, the ground wire must be connected if it is 380 volts. Then the voltage of the quasi minus 380 volts and our rock place requirements. The distance between the two sides cannot be about 1 meter. Nothing can block the suction cooling fan behind. Keep a distance of about 1 meter from the wall. Keep ventilated suction and heat dissipation.